بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Brothers and sisters, in this channel I'll try to share with you the advanced steel problems, solutions and topics that relate to advanced steel only. In my previous channel it's a kind of a general channel for the engineers, but for this channel will be only all talks will be about the advanced steel. For today, what I want to show you, I want to show you how we can import a drawing style. As you know, I have I'd made or I created a drawing style that consists of many things like single part, assembly part, and plates also. So for today I want to show you how we can import it. For the first of all, what we have to do, we have to have or put the drawings in. As here, I have drawings just like this. I tried to import them before, but I will not delete this one because I want to show you if this import copy exists, what will happen. Guys, when I'm trying to import any kind of drawing style, so I can come here, drawing style manager, and from the here what I can do, I can just import from here. Okay, and now I have a problem, but I will show you. I want to show you before your in front of your eyes, and what's the problem and the solution for that. If I click here and I go to the location, the file location that I have, and let's just double click, we see some warning message now, and we will see what's the problem and what's the solution for that. As you guys, the source database is older than 5.1 version, so it gives us this error message. Okay, what's the solution for that? The solution for that, because when you try to import the drawing styles, and this file will create, when I delete these files, just skip for this one. Yeah, and this one is because we try to now, and it's in use, that's why it cannot be deleted. Okay, so when we try to open any kind of these drawing styles, it will make us this import copy. So let me try to bring another one, another drawing style. Let's try to import it and go to here, and now I as I said, this is here is this in use. If I can delete here, I don't know, it's kind of different. Okay, no problem, it's in use. So I'll try to import this one. I'll delete this later, no problem. Okay, I'll just open it, and it will, you see, it comes here and import. And what I want to if you want to rename it, you can rename it. And for the category, I want to put in assembly, or I can just put here in this assembly category. Okay, just next, and a few minutes is here, few minutes it's and bring the drawing style, and the drawing style will be in the assembly part here. We will wait. When it's finished, we go to the next step. It should give us the message that successfully imported, and we will wait up to this point. Yeah, drawing style, this one assembly wrapper has been successfully imported. So okay, and I can close this one. If I go to check, this one is here now, it exists here, right now it exists here. Of course I want to bring the rest of them, because each one for one part. So I want to for example, I want to bring it this time for single part. Just open it, and I want to import it, again I want to put in this parts or this parts. It's up to me. So I want to just change or put it here and next. And now again it depends on the how large is the file. Okay, so as here in the single part is I think is it has, yeah, drawing style successfully imported. Okay, and for this time I want to bring a single part plate. So again import, we will go to parts. Of course I want to put in the parts also because place will be considered as a part. As you see now, it's the faster. This one is faster than the one before. Anyhow, after we import all the kind of drawing style, okay, just close it. Now what about this one? Can I delete it or not? Yeah, I think it's kind of difficult. Anyhow, when I can load this one, if I have to close the advanced steel, so it disconnect this one. Let's bring this curved beam also, import, and for the curved beam let's say go to assembly, next, and as you see here it's speed depending on how large is the file. So as here, so you can feel that. Okay, just close it and apply it. We can just apply it and cancel it if we want. I can close this advanced steel and I say no, and again go back to this one. Now I think I can delete this. I don't know why. Anyhow, what I can do? I can just take these two, copy them, and I can just, if I go to or make a new folder, for some reason I don't know why it's like this really, I'll just copy this one, and now I bring this one. I think if I I think if I can restart, the problem will solve, but no problem. Again I want to go to output, from here, from this point, but I'm trying to, yeah, of course, import again from this point. Yeah, I can go this here, this one, and I can import it. You see now it should give us the successfully, or of course I want to put here, so next. After this point, what we can do, or what we have to do, we have to arrange for that. We have to arrange for that, and this we make for in drawing process. Okay, in the drawing processes, we will wait for the warning message. Yeah, now it's good, and just apply it. Okay, after that we will go to with the drawing process. So from the drawing process we choose user drawing process assemblies, and I want to use this one for A3, and of course I can copy one for myself, let's say EP. Okay, and I want to start with this one, so I will say next, and I will apply it. Okay, after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring all the elements here. As here, additional place, what I'm using for the plates, I want to use plates, this one. For the main part, for example, I want to use the one that I created. As you see here, guys, this is from the assembly. Okay, and from here we can see which one is from assembly and which one for the single part. Okay, so we go with this one, and I will use this one. For the router is here, the router is the same thing from the assembly as is here, is the assembly part, but I'll have one for myself. It's this assembly router, and the cranker. What I have also, I have GSF for that one. That I okay from the assembly again. So I will go with the one. Yeah, it's from this one, but I think mine is where I think mine is here. Yeah. Okay, for the rest, what we have to is here main part beam. So for the P beam, we see this is from the assembly. So again, we can use this one. And main part. Let's say this one also. This one is, look, guys. This one parts, right? So I want to use assembling. I will go here, and I will use assembly single part. And for the rest, I think you can do it now, and just click OK. And now what I have to do, I have to go here. As here, I'm using EP, but do we have EP in the drawing in these folders? Program data. What we have to go to SSD program data, and after that Autodesk Advanced 2021, sorry, 2021, and share support prototypes. What I'm going to use, you see here I have EP, so I can use this one, or I can just bring this one and copy this one. Okay, let me try to use EP, and let's say apply, and okay. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go to the creating column. Sorry, here the column, and I want to create a column. Right click. I want to make a base plate for that. I just want to make a base plate for this one. I will go with the connections and the base plate, and I will see this one, and also now what I want to just try to make it right. Or let me bring my previous course which I made in Kurdish language. So I will go with that one, because this channel will be in two languages. Okay, guys, in Kurdish, in English, maybe in Arabic sometimes also, but we see. I don't know. Kurdish course, the porta frame. Okay, I think I made a drawing for one kind of column. If I remember good, let me try to. Yeah, this one, the symbol is not up to date, so when I go to manager and I want to update this one, first update. Yeah, now it's updated. If I open this one, as you see now, the drawing is like this. Okay, the drawing is like this for this column. Okay, what I'm trying to do now, I will go to the isometric view. With the isometric view, and after that go to this one and make it view, and after that just select this one, go to the drawing style, the one that we created, and we say use. I don't know, we have to try to 1-2 times. If we don't have a good prototype, it will not give us the good drawing for this one. And right click and assembly. Let me try to see the second one. If I go with the layout, I don't know, it's kind of like this. It's just, I think I made this prototype for check for that's why I want to change it to this one. I rename it. Oh, I'm sorry. Rename this one. Copy it. I will try. Let me open first if there's some missing things. Okay, let me try this one, to use this one. Select this one, go to here, and for the prototype here, for the prototype, I'm just go to use this one and paste it. Paste it, the same name should be. Okay, apply and okay, and apply and use, and I'll say okay. Now finished. Let me right click and this one, this is 03. You see now what is the difference between this one. Okay, it's just like this, and this is the clipping X. You see, I don't like clipping, right? As here there's a clipping, so this one is not from my drawing style. So how can I know? Even this one is not from my drawing style. So how can I know this one, which one is used for this one? I can just go back, and I can go to my drawing manager, and I will go with the details. You see, the prototype, and you see now a drawing style is a 5 column. Is use this one. Even for this one, let's try use this one for the drawing style, and as here the plate keeper, and this one it's not mine. So what I have to do, I have to just change all of those who change it, because let me go here, guys. This one will start from the point. Okay, so if after it, let me try to use the GSF, the one that I created before. This one, yeah. Again, which one? Yeah, it's the additional beam and main part, single part curved beam. For the curved beam, I want to use mine curved beam, right? Single part plate per, this is the plate, so I'll go with the parts, and I will choose mine, and attach beam. This beam, again, I want to use this one for mine part, and this one maybe additional beam. Also I want to use the one that I created. So go to parts and go to single part, and I think now this is for railing, and I don't care about railing. And this is the column. For the columns, what we said that we use ours, so I will use this one. So let me apply it, and OK, and apply and use maybe. Okay, but I think I have to select first, because from the way of choosing I use selection. As you see here, select main power with attached parts, and I will say okay, I'm trying, or I am waiting for this one. Again, if we go with this cube, you see now it's like this. Right click the fourth one. As you see now, we have 3D view for this column and get things. So now we have good news for that. What is not good, as is here, the plates. What's not good, the skull. So I will just double clicking, and the skull I want to change it for something like 1 to 50. I changed this one. Again, I want to change this one 1 to 50. So it's up to you. Okay, it's according to the page that you have, and after that I have to rearrange them by clicking here, rearrange them, and as you see here, now we have many things. If I go with this one, of course we have to clean up process, because I have some additional dimensions we don't need maybe, so we have to clean up process. So we have to clean it, and just like this, and we can bring, as you see here, the dimensions of the plates and the quantities here. Here the dimensions 60 by 248, and the number of this one, and also we have this cool table, and this is the parts. Here I put the single part. You can change it to assembly part. It's pretty easy to change this one from the prototype, so you can do it. Don't worry about it. And we can go here. As you see now, this is the single part. Always we are using single part for what? For drilling, right? and you see now we can put if we want, even we can put in the even we can put in the drawing style by so it gives us automatically, or we can put manually dimensions or whatever we have. And the cool thing about that is you see here there's a 3D view for the element with the assembly, comes with the assembly parts. Okay, that maybe this is the big difference between this one and that the rest that we created. We have to clean a process, so we have some cleaning dimensions. If we want, we can clean this one and we can arrange the rest of the dimensions. We have this one. Of course, guys, I can just go to advanced properties, and from the linear and relative and absolute, so I can just say relative. So it gives us only the relative one, or maybe you can use the rest of it. And here for the plates, it gives us two dimensions that shows the thickness of the plate. But if we want, we can just put from one direction, and this is the from the drawing style. Maybe I have a quite or in the future maybe I make a very advanced course about how to arrange the dimension style and how you can put the dimension style. And for this one, as here is the from bottom, okay, from bottom, not from this side, not from that side. So of course we can change this one and this one by clicking here, and we use this one, yeah, this for this one end plate outside. And from the end plate outside, but just we open it, and the view direction, as you see, is the from outside a view on plate, and out from the outside what I want to try to find from the inside. Yeah, cross section of the plate from left or inside. Let's try to this one, apply it and use this for this one. And now we have to use this one in hatch, the section. What I mean, yeah, now is good. Now is from inside, and there are many other things we have to discuss about it. And the cool thing is about the dimensions which we have, we need these dimensions and some extra dimensions we don't have. So this is for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe the new channel and share the videos so I can continue with you with this channel. Thank you very much.